Hello, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly online. Now, in this video, I want to be showing you how you can remove unverified Pi users from your security circle, and how you can also add verified users into your security circle. The reason for this is to be able to change your unverified Pi into transferable Pi. And a lot of people, if they don't do this, their probability is high that you may lose your Pi that you have mined. So first things first, I need to show you something. I need to show you guys something. So what you want to do is, you can either click on this, your Pi balance at the top here, or click on this menu icon, the three horizontal bar, open it, and then click on mainnet. It's still the same thing. Okay, so let me just go there. Now when you get here to the mainnet, click on unverified this thing here, open it up. Now this is my own. Look at this. I have just 2 days. Now if I don't get these people to verify, if these people don't verify their, what is it called, their Pi, I may end up losing some Pi that I got from them. Okay, but some of these people, I know them personally, and many of them I don't know them personally. But then what's the guarantee that they will be able to verify their KYC? So the best thing to do is just to remove them and replace them, remove them from my security circle, and replace them with people that I know that are verified. Are you with me now? Now let me go back for those that may not really understand what is going on. See, this, what we have here is unverified Pi, right? In this section, right? Then this section we have transferable Pi. Then in this section we have migrated Pi. Now if, let's go back to this, if these people do not do their KYC, verify themselves within the 2 days, this unverified Pi here, I may lose them, and I don't want to lose them. So what I can do is to remove all these people from this unverified place, to remove them and then replace them. How do I go about it? What I do is, I've come now to my main page. So I click on the security circle. Now, these are the people in my security circle. This security circle contains people that are verified and that are unverified. So the question is, how do you know the people that are unverified in your security circle? That's the question. In this video, I will help you to solve that problem. For the ones that are your direct referral, me, I don't really have much referral in Pi. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I just have only 3 referral, and none of them are even active, or I don't know. So if I click on it, it is only from my direct referral. That's where I'm able to see that whether they are active or they are not active. Okay, then from the ones in my security circle, how do I know the ones that are unverified? It is very simple. The answer to it is simply go to, tap on your this thing, your Pi balance, to go to the mainnet, then come to your unverified balance, click on the convert section. All these ones, you take mental note of them, okay, and then come to the main page, then come to shield here, that's your security circle. Click on it. So you take a mental note of that, and then you begin to identify them. For example, let me quickly go and then click here, and then look at I know this person. Okay, I know him, but I will have to remove him. He's my friend, but he has not verified. I don't know whether he's still even mining Pi. Okay, for now I have to remove him. So I go back to my security circle and look for that particular name. This is him here. Okay, I look at it, then I click on remove. Do you understand? Remove. Then click on the delete button. Delete is out. So that's how to go about it. That's how to identify the ones that are not unverified. So that's the work you have to do. That's the work you have to do. Anytime maybe when I get to meet them in person or through phone number or whatever, and I know that they have verified their KYC, I can then add them back into my security circle. So that is how to remove unverified Pi users from your security circle, right? Now, how do you add verified users, the people you know that are verified into your security circle? Now, what you do is click on this. Click on add from contacts. Okay, add from contact. You click on it. Now, if you can either scroll, or if you know the people that are verified, like you physically know them, like in my case now, I know this particular person is a verified user, a friend of mine. So I click on it. I let it load. I click on it. I let it load up. Now, thank God I'm having this error message. If you want to add people into your security circle, make sure that your network is very strong. The network you are using to browse the internet is very strong. Reason be that if it's not strong, this is what you are likely going to get. He's saying that, look at this error message. He said that this person is not a member of Pi network. And I know that this person for sure banker is a verified member. So what do? I cancel it and I add the person again, all over again. Okay, maybe this time around it will say that it's a verified member. So let's see. All right, now the message has changed. As a matter of fact, I had to do this a couple of times before it brought out the correct message. He said this person seems to be a member of Pi network. Now, what you do is what? Click on confirm. By the way, thank you very much, Mama, for allowing me to use your this thing. God bless you. So you can just click on confirm and then say awesome, the person has been added, Mama has been added to your security circle. So in a nutshell, so click on dismiss. In a nutshell, that is how to remove unverified users and how to add verified users, Pi users, into your security circle. The effect, what is the effect of that? The effect of all this is that by the time you do change all the people in your security circle to verify users, this your unverified this thing will now change to what? Transferable Pi. Are you with me? Okay, so that's how to go about it. Now, that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to be creating, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your locked Pi, how you can unlock it, okay, so that you can have quick access to them. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how to go about it, guys. Please like this video, share this video. Please, you need that. I know that I've shared a good insight in this video, so share it. Let other people know how to go about these things, because I know that they have a lot of questions that I have actually answered in this video. So please share and share. And if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, we are back. The channel is back and active now. Please subscribe. And again, if you've not joined Pi, it is not too late. It is only 6 billion that has been mined so far, and you still have 100 billion left. So if you've not started mining Pi, the link will be at the description section, in the description below, and then you can start mining, okay, and you will still do your KYC and verify. Again, I want to say that come join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, so that you can meet other other people, exchange phone numbers, and have a lot of people to follow you and follow back, and also meet a lot of verified people that you can add into their security circle, okay. So that's what I forgot to add, okay. So if you've gotten the phone number of anyone that is a verified Pi user, the thing is just to what, add, save their phone number, and then come into this security circle right here, and then add them the way I have showed you. So that's how to do it. So the link of our WhatsApp and Telegram, it will also be at the description section below this video. You understand? And then join us and then get other insightful updates. This is the Easy Earners Club.